Good morning, friends. I'm Emma, and welcome back to Buckler Up America. Today, we finally got our van back, and we're gonna be sanding it and painting it today. So come along with us as we sand it and paint it. We still are having some issues mechanically, but that's another story. So come along for the ride. Hey friends, welcome back to an episode of Buckler Up America. We are at a change of location. We have come to paint the truck, so that's what we're doing. Champion is getting some finishing touches on taking everything off, all the lights and gadgets that we don't want to be painted. But then we'll be painting this thing, so come along for the journey. Hey friends, welcome back. We have just finished putting on all of the tarping for the van before we paint it. So let's take a look real fast. So we have put tarp around all of the tires. We have also scuffed everything down. We sanded it all down. We've got tarp on the windows, on all of the tires, on the grill, the front bumper, the front windows. Over here, we haven't done this last window just quite yet because we wanted to wait in case we need anything else out of the front of the car. But we got the back wheel and then the back bumper. So now all we have to do is paint. So I'm excited. We finally get some paint. It's going to be a beautiful green. But come watch us as we paint this camper van. I wanted to add one more thing. It took us about 2 hours, maybe 3, to get this all taped. It took us quite longer than we were expecting. However, it is really hot out here today. So we had to take, little breaks here and there to get some water and whatnot. But yeah, it took us, I'd say 2 to 3 hours to get this all taped up. All right, friends, here's the big reveal. We've got it all painted. Doo-doo-doo. Here's the back. Champion, as you could see on the video previously, got on top of the tractor. I think it's such a beautiful color. It's a little lighter than what we originally had planned, but I really love it. It's like a sagey green, and I just think it's the cutest color for our cottagecore theme. I'm just so tickled about how well it has turned out. This is just the first coat. I think we're planning to put on 3 coats perhaps. I think that's the plan. Maybe 2. We did not do the spec door because it's getting replaced, so there's no need to waste paint on it, except for those little test splotches. But yeah, I'm so happy of how it turned out, and thanks for joining us today. I hope to see you guys back. Please like and subscribe, and come join us again another time.